Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Gmail to Outlook using Google Workspace migration tools. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Gmail to Outlook using Google Workspace migration tools, start by accessing your Google Workspace admin console. Log in with your admin credentials. Navigate to the Apps section. Select Google Workspace. Click on Gmail. Find the option labeled Data Migration. Select Start. In the Migration Source dialog box, choose Gmail. In the next field, enter the email addresses of the users you want to migrate. To proceed, click on Continue. Then, select the appropriate migration options you wish to utilize. You can choose to include specific data like emails, contacts, or calendar events. If required, set the date range for the data you want to migrate. Once all options are selected, confirm by clicking on Start. Next, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version of Outlook installed. In Outlook, go to File. Select Add Account. Enter your Gmail address and click Connect. Provide your Gmail password when prompted. Complete any necessary two-factor authentication. Once connected, Outlook will begin syncing your Gmail data. Monitor the status bar at the bottom of the Outlook screen to ensure synchronization. Check that emails, contacts, and calendar events appear in your Outlook account. Once the process is complete, verify that all data is backed up as intended. If you encounter any issues, consult the Google Workspace Migration Help Center. Your Gmail data is now successfully backed up to Outlook for easy access and management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.